Hello. In today's video, we will learn break apart three-digit addition problems. You know already how to add three-digit by breaking apart, but in today's video, we will learn multiple choice question. So let's see here. But before you will come back here, make sure you have notebook and pen so you can take your notes and you can do this problem with me. Okay, make sure you have a notebook. All right, so let's see here. Break apart three-digit addition problems. So here we have two numbers. We will add them, which both of them they are three digits number. So first thing, everyone knew how we will write in expanded form, right? Expanded form. So we have 153 and we have 540. So how you will write in expanded form? What is this one is telling you? How many? What is plus value for 1? It's 100, right? And what is 5 stand for? It's tens plus value. So we have 5 tens. That means what is value for 5? Is 50. And how many ones we have? 3. So we have just value is 3. Now next number we have is 540. So we will check how many hundreds we have. 5. So value for 5 here is 500. What is value for 4 here? That is tens plus value. So how many tens we have? 4 and value is 40. How many ones we have? It's 0. So you don't need to add, but we will just keep in mind we have 0 ones there. Now we will compare this each multiple choice and we will check which one first thing we will eliminate. Okay, so we have A is 100, so we need 100, right? We need 100 for each one. So here we have 100, here we have 100. B, we don't have any hundreds, so I will cross it out right away. We don't need to check anymore. Okay, now let's check which one is correct answer here. Next, we have hundreds again. So I will check from second number how many hundreds we have. 500. So I have 500 here, 500 here. Now we will check tens. How many tens we have? We have 50 and we have 50. So here is also 50. So still we cannot eliminate anything. We have everything, whatever we supposed to have up to this. Next one, we have how many tens we have in second number? We have 40. I have 40 here. I have 40 here. All right, let's see last one. How many ones we have? 3. I have 3 here. I have 4 here, so that is wrong. So I can eliminate this one. So what is my answer is A. And also you can make sure, so we have 3 ones and we have 0 ones. You don't need to add 0 ones. It doesn't make any difference because 0 has no value, right? If you will add 0 to any number, it will not change anything. So here your answer is A. Let's see second one. Okay, so we have to add these two numbers again. So first thing we will write down expanded form for each one. 274. How many hundreds we have? 2. So what is value for this 2 here? Is 200. What is value for 7 here? Is 70. And what is value for 4 here? Which is 4. Now let's check next one. 350. So how many hundreds? We have 3 hundreds. We have 3 100s plus value. So what is value for this 3 here? 300. Next one, we will check tens. How many tens we have? 5. So what is value for 5? 50. And what is ones? We don't have any ones, so it's just 0. So first thing, all right, you can tell me which choice we can eliminate right away, A, B, or C. So do we have 200? Yes. So we will check, do we have 200 everywhere? We have with A, I have here. B doesn't have 200. So what I need to do? Eliminate. I don't need to check any more answer for this one. Next one we will check. We have how many hundreds with second number? 300. So we have 300, 300. Next one, we have how many tens? 70. I have 70 here, 70 here. Okay. Then we will check how many tens for second number. We have 50 and here we have 50. Also I have 50 here. So by looking this, can you tell me which one is correct answer? A or C? Let's see. So here we have ones 4. So we have 4 and 4. And next one we have, how many ones we have? 0. We don't need to add 0. And with A we have extra here 5 ones. We don't need this, right? So our answer choice is C. Very good. Let's see third one. You can pause video and make sure you can try to do by yourself. Okay, let's see. So, all right. You complete this problem. You did it. Okay, which answer choice you have? All right, now let's see what we will get. We have 805. So how many hundreds? 8. So value for 8 is 800. We don't have any tens, so we will just write down 0 for tens. How many ones we have? 5. Now we will check second number, 649. So how many hundreds we have? 6. So we have 600. How many tens we have? 4. So what is value for 4? 40. And how many ones we have here? 9. So we need to check all these numbers. So first thing, which one we will eliminate? Can we do right away? So first number we are checking is 800. We have 800, 800, and 800. So we cannot eliminate right now anything. All right, let's see next one. We have 600 from second number. So we have also 600, 600, 600. Each one has 600. So we cannot eliminate yet, right? Next one, we don't have any tens, so we don't need to see here. We have 40. So let's see, we have 40, 40, and 40. Each one has. Next one, how many ones we have? 5, right? And look at this, we have 50, we don't need 50, so we can cross out A. And B has 5 ones. B has 5 ones. And C, if you will check, we have 5 ones, but we have extra 50 here. We don't need that. So we can eliminate that answer as well. And we will double check also. We have ones. How many ones we have for second number? 9. So this one is correct answer, B. Very good. Did you get answer B? Yes, I'm pretty sure you did it. Okay, very good. Have a good time.